Hi, I'm Bridget from eCloth, and today we say goodbye to the billions of disposable one-time use makeup removal wipes. In the US, we throw out billions of makeup removal wipes each year. But you can feel great about using our face cleansing pads because you can reuse them over and over. One side is very plush and soft on your skin. The other side has a large opening to be able to put your fingers in comfortably. You wet the cleansing pads, add minimal soap, and then clean your face and remove your eye makeup. You get 6 cleaning pads in the pack. No more waste from throwing out makeup remover wipes. After each use, just rinse out well and then leave them to dry. The pads should be washed weekly in the washing machine with regular laundry detergent, no bleach, fabric softener, or dryer sheets, and then just put them in the dryer. Thanks so much for watching, and please like and subscribe and comment below to let us know how much you like these face cleansing pads. See you soon.